Hi, welcome to our dorm. This is our dorm in Pixley Hall. It's a all first year, all female building with singles and doubles. So this is our room. Come check it out. Alright, so this is my closet. It's not much, but it works. And then there's my mini fridge and my microwave. My mini fridge has a lot of pictures of my family and my brothers, my grandparents, which makes it special to me. Then we have my bed over here, where I have all my hedgehogs and all my blankets. And then I have all of my books, which I like to read every night. It's something really special to me. And then over here, we've got my desk where I do all my homework. And I really like that it overlooks outside, and I can kind of just look outside on pretty days.
So this is my closet. It looks small, but it's actually pretty spacious. And then I have my desk right here. This is where I study and do all my homework. Then I have my bed, and then there's lots of storage underneath, and I have different cabinets under there where I store some food and shoes and towels. Then above my bed I have pictures of my friends and family from at home. And then here I have my dresser, which stores more clothes.
I would definitely say one of my favorite things about Pixley is just how spread out everything is and how quiet the building is, but also that we all talk to each other if our doors are ever open.
Thanks for visiting. We'll see you later.
Bye!